26 Jewish Americans who trace their roots to Igbo land, Anambra State precisely, have visited Anambra and inspected the ongoing world-class solution fund city. Chibuzo Okoye has the details.
Taking the team round the city, the Anambra State Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment and Tourism, Comrade Don Onyenji, assured them that Anambra is their home anytime, any day. According to Comrade Onyenji, Governor Chukwuma Soludo is building a state where people can live, work and relax, adding that in less than 3 years in office, the governor has set unmatchable records. In their separate remarks, two of the visitors, Yehuda Webster and Dr. Harriet Wim, commended the state government for their hospitality and said that they were happy visiting the state once more.
This is what we're doing, Solution Fun City, because it's a city in itself. Solution Fun City. So you can have any kind of entertainment you wish to have. And of course, we have attractions on the other side of it.
Taking time out of your day to show us around and to really bless us as we return to our central homeland. And it's a blessing to meet you and to be with you. Thank you. The work and effort that's being put into building it up and creating something so that regular people can relax and enjoy themselves. And yeah, thank you.
In Oka, this is Chibuzo Okoye for ABS News.